Hello there lads and welcome back to the most inconsistent photography channel. My name is Gianmarco Maioli and on the 18th of October I decided to visit the Tuscan Canyons, also known as Piandisco. I paid this visit with the most beautiful girl on earth, so if you like the video and subscribe to the channel, I might send you her number. For the one-day trip I brought with me my Mamiya M645 Pro with a Seiko C 80mm 2.8, and for the first time in my life I decided to shoot slide film. To be more specific, I decided to shoot Fuji Velvia 100 and Proviaf 100. And that's why it took me so long to post this video, because I had to find a place that actually develops slide film near Florence, and once I found it I had to wait a few weeks. I also shall remind you that these scans have been made with my DSLR, which is a Nikon D800E, flexing with my camera. So the shots might be a lot better than what they actually look like, because a DSLR scan is not near as good as, I don't know, everything else for 120. And yeah, this is my defense in case you don't like the pictures. I also have to say that these nature shots are the best therapy to remind myself that lockdown isn't everything. Although right now I'm craving for greens. In every sense of the word. Upon the technical stuff, I definitely prefer the Velvia over the Proviaf, but I also have to say that the Proviaf is not nearly as purple or bluish as people describe it. While the Velvia looks definitely a bit warmer and closer to reality.
Okay.
So these were all the clips and pictures I've taken. Once again, I'm asking for your financial support. Once again, I'm asking for your like, subscribe, I don't know, share the video, do whatever you want with this video. I've got a few more vids incoming for the next few weeks, and also I'm working on my first design. So I hope I can bring you some update about that. I guess that's all I had to say. What can I say? Stay safe, keep well, enjoy your life. That's it. Cheers.